Okay, today we'll be installing VS Code extensions. Launch your VS Code. On the left, click on the extension tab. Then search for PlatformIO. That's the one we'll be installing. Click the install button to start the installation. Okay, when the installation is done, the buttons will change and the bottom portion will show that it's downloading other dependency stuff. Okay, when the installation is done, you'll see the successfully installed pop-up here. Then you have to reload VS Code. Okay, once it's reloaded, you will see the PlatformIO ID is under the installed section. It has also installed the C and C++ extension. So that's what we're using for upcoming videos. You should also see that there's a new tab for PlatformIO. We'll explore that in upcoming videos.